Physical and mental obstacles rise as we become older. Many of us are unsure how to deal with these difficulties. So, here are 6 healthy routines that will help you deal with health difficulties and live a healthy and happy life. 1. Physically active. As we become older, it becomes increasingly vital to move around in order to maintain an active lifestyle. Begin exercising on a regular basis to increase your energy, preserve your heart, keep your independence, and improve your mobility, flexibility, balance, and weight. Strength workouts, walking, swimming, and cardio-based activities are all good ways to stay fit. 2. Socially active. Even as you get older, staying socially active will keep you young. Social activities keep us bright and mentally engaged, and they put us in a good mood by bringing people together. It helps to strengthen your immune system while also keeping you physically engaged. Loneliness is one of the reasons people have trouble sleeping. Sleep is better for people who have solid connections in their life than for those who don't. You can get socially active by joining a club or a senior exercise center. Family gatherings, outings, and returning to work are all excellent ways to keep your mind occupied. New technology also makes it possible to stay in touch with loved ones via social media, email, or video chat with friends and family. 3. Healthy diet. You must provide your body with the proper nutrition and maintain a healthy weight. It can assist you in being active and self-sufficient. Your body requires more of specific nutrients as you get older. As a result, it's critical to select foods that are high in nutritious worth. Vegetables, fruits, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, grains, and dairy products should all be part of your regular diet. Limit items that are high in calories but lacking in nutrients. To avoid constipation, include high-fiber foods in every meal. You should also begin taking calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, or vitamin B12 supplements. Aim for 8 8-ounce glasses of water every day. Juice, tea, soup, and water-rich fruits and vegetables are all good sources of water. 4. Value yourself. It is critical to concentrate solely on oneself. You simply visit your doctor, dentist, or eye doctor on a regular basis to detect medical concerns early and treat them before they become more serious. Another crucial point to remember is that you must take the prescription exactly as advised by your doctor. 5. Avoid unhealthy habits. The body's ability to drink alcohol reduces as one gets older. Because there is less muscle mass to absorb alcohol, it takes your body longer to digest it. Alcohol intake puts older persons at an increased risk of falling, car accidents, and a variety of other injuries. In elderly persons, smoking raises the chance of frailty. Frailty is not to be confused with disability. Falls, fractures, incapacity, and hospitalization are all part of it. If you smoke, you should stop immediately. 6. Sleep properly. Sleeping hours in older individuals are typically 7 to 8 hours. Consult your doctor if you are unable to sleep for long periods of time. The doctor will assist you in determining the cause of your lack of sleep and will advise you on the best course of action. Conclusion. The behaviors and recommendations listed above will keep you fit and healthy even as you become older. Stay cheerful and continue to be healthy.